Today I'll show you how to use the Apple Fitness app and the Apple Watch to track your runs. Go to Fitness in your Apple Watch, click on Run and start to run. When you're done, tap the X icon to stop it. Now in the Fitness app, you'll be able to see your workouts, along with your daily activity. If you scroll down, you can see your trends and achievements you've gotten. You can tap on any of your workouts to add the intensity metric to them. If your tracking seems off, you might want to recalibrate your settings. Grab your iPhone and open the Apple Watch app. This app is where you manage all your Apple Watch settings, including privacy and calibration options. Scroll down until you see privacy. This section is where you'll find the fitness calibration data and other health related settings. Here you'll see reset fitness calibration data highlighted in yellow. Tap on this option, then confirm by selecting the red button. This action will clear any existing data and set it back to 0. This won't erase your personal data or workout history. It will simply allow your Apple Watch to start recalibrating for improved accuracy in tracking steps, distance and activity levels. After resetting, it's important to help your Apple Watch recalibrate. For best results, go for a 20-minute walk or run at a normal pace on flat ground. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.